Hello everyone and welcome to your MicroCasting Severe Weather Update for April 27th, 2020. We have a good bit to talk about today as we are going to be getting into the severe threats and the timing of those severe storms. Let's get started. Our overall threat in St. Louis here is a slight risk by the Storm Prediction Center. The wind threat is slight, the hail threat is slight, and the tornado threat is slight, with flooding threats being relatively low according to the Weather Prediction Center, although I could see a few flash floods because we are going to be getting some pretty potent storms with some very heavy rain moving through. So here's the SPC's severe risk areas. You can see that slight risk extending all the way from around Kansas City, well into Illinois, well past Springfield, Illinois, and nearly extending into near like Paducah, Kentucky. So we're really seeing a very large slight risk area over the St. Louis area and that enhanced risk farther south into Springfield and Joplin. I expect this to creep up a bit farther north with time, just because I'm seeing in the latest guidance, in latest model data, as well as current observations, reason to believe the severe threat could be higher than we thought when this outlook came out about 6 hours ago now, and that could include places like Jeff City and Rolla. So let's get into the timing of this. This is 10 a.m. tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, there are going to be some spot showers that move through as a remnant from tonight's system, but you're also going to see these showers near St. Joseph. By the time we get to 1 p.m., we have more spot showers in the southern St. Louis area. You can also see this severe risk. You have these storms in the slight risk area, but you have this line that's beginning to develop. And by 4 o'clock, you're really starting to see this line become more potent, those blackout lines being where you do have strong local areas of lift, and therefore where severe storms could be located. Don't pay attention to the exact location. Just if you're within the general region of a cluster of storms like that, like the ones in Kansas, just be aware that there is a fair chance of severe storms. This is probably going to be the time when the best chance for hail is really present, and you'll see why here in just a moment, because by 7 p.m., we have a long line. When you have a long line, the best threat's going to be wind. Your tornado threat will have also diminished a bit, but you could have some embedded supercells that could produce tornadoes anywhere really within this line. So people do still need to remain weather aware as time does go on. And by 10 p.m., the line is well through the St. Louis area, and this line could move faster than this model is expecting. But assuming the model's correct, this thing will be moving in around 9 p.m. There are some other indications that this could be moving in as early as 7 p.m. Regardless, the severe threat still exists and still needs to be taken very seriously, as you can see with this potent line moving through. And then finally, as we move into 1 a.m., the severe threat is pretty much gone. You have some scattered storms behind there that could produce some crackles of thunder, maybe a strong wind gust, but nothing really much more than that. All right, well, you can follow us on Facebook at MicroCasting St. Louis, on Twitter at MicroCasting STL, and on Instagram at MicroCasting St. Louis. You can also join our Discord server, become a part of the weather community over at MicroCasting's Discord. That link will be in the description. And if you really want to help out, you can become a team member as well. Just send some inquiries to Schwent, and on Discord, you'll be able to see that fine. After you join the server, you'll see me. I'll be the admin. Alright, well, thank you all so much for watching this video. I do hope you liked it. Like the video if you did like it. If you didn't like it, you know where that button is. Subscribe and hit the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.